welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Shade Bull, and I am just trying to make it. Now when I say make it, what I mean is I am in New York City. It is 98 to 99 degrees outside. It's supposed to feel between 105 to 110. I went out there this morning to go get a couple of groceries for my kids. My husband is at work. Just trying to get through the day. Now, we do have ACs like all throughout the house. And when I was watching the news stated that it's better to prevent like power outages and things of that sort, which I've already been through that situation before during a storm, and I don't want to go through it again, especially not in the heat. It's better to prevent a power outage by eliminating the use of all of the ACs. That's why you see me, I don't know if you can tell that I'm sitting low, because I'm sitting on a blow-up bed. Now I pulled out another bed, and I got the blow-up bed, and I have a sleeping bag, and obviously we have this couch. And I told my kids, cut your ACs off, everybody get to the living room, and we're gonna use one AC. That's for the daytime. Now come nighttime, I can cut the AC off that's in the living room, and everybody could go in the room and cut the AC on and relax, take a shower, relax. So be it. But it's just, you know, I'm used to having all of them running, and just listen, the bill is gonna be what it's gonna be. There's one thing about me is I don't want to use the word can't. I do not prefer to live without AC. I don't prefer it. I don't like to be hot. I like to be comfortable. I mean, who does? You know, I have my son over here.
Hello, people.
Doing his thing. Royalty is at the table. We also have a ceiling fan. Just trying to stay cool. That heat is, and I feel like heat in New York is different from other places because it's the air quality is so horrible and the air is so polluted. Even inhaling and exhaling is like the worst. It's the worst. Went out to the supermarket. Like I said, I got some fruit. I got some stuff to make some tuna fish. I got some sandwich meat. I got some bread. I got some hot dogs. I got some French fries. I got some eggs. I got some sugar-free juice. Of course, we are drinking a lot of water. We are drinking water on top of water on top of water. You gotta have your water. So, I mean, other than that, it's just trying to stay cool and just trying to get through. I almost feel like it's a preview of what the summer's gonna be like.
I'd rather not listen, but you can say it anyways.
And I'm not looking forward to it. I just don't look forward to the summers in New York anymore. Like, vacation me, please. I don't care for how many days. Just get me out of here. And lately I've been looking at cruises. I think the MSC ship cruises. If you've been on one, comment down below. If you had a good experience, if you had a bad experience, put it down in the comment section. So far what I looked at, it looks like a beautiful ship. Looks like they offer a lot of different things. And I've never been on a cruise. I am a cruise virgin. So I do really want to go on a cruise. And there's a few places I want to go. I want to go, of course, back to Jamaica. I just need a home in Jamaica. That's all I need, so that I could just book my ticket and I just have somewhere to stay when I go. I have a home to stay at. That's it. But don't worry. Yesterday was Royalty's graduation. So my baby graduated from kindergarten. I'm so, look at her. See her hair. She's so creative. Give me kisses.
Hi guys.
What is this?
Okay, I'm so happy for her because she's so smart.
Wait a minute. Go, Gigi.
And
Wait.
she is going to first grade. And them teachers have no idea who is about to walk up in their classroom. This is top diva right here. But she's really, really smart. She's reading. She's able to read chapter books now. Her counting is on point. Her math is on point. So, you know, those things matter. Besides just being cute and a pretty little girl, you got to be able to do your work. We got to have beauty and brains.
Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and the Beast.
So, yeah, so that happened yesterday.
Yeah, sure.
And it was hot, but they had the graduation in the auditorium. And I was very happy about that. I was not trying to be in nobody's yard burning up. But it was cool. Everything was cool. My mother act like she get annoyed because I called her. And I'm like, Mom, what I put in the tuna fish again? She's like, you can't be serious. How many times you just made this the other day?
Seriously.
Well, I forgot. Crucify. And the thing is, if you're a person who you have your mom in your life and you're always trying to make things taste the way your mother make it, then you understand. That's why I don't know what I would do without my mother. Like, I need to know what you put, how much you put, what brand you put, what brand you bought. I mean, like, I need to know. Stop. I didn't send them to school today because of the heat hazard and the warning. And this is what I gotta go through. She was over there minding her business on her tablet, and now she's over here because she see me with y'all. Like, trust me, I'm second guessing this idea of all of us even being out here because Royalty is hilarious.
Yeah.
Y'all, if I could have went outside today in panty and bra and got away with it, I would have. I wore this bralette thing.
I said maybe, boy.
And I wore some black denim shorts and just threw on my Crocs and just ran. I'm gonna show y'all how I do my tuna fish. Well, let me tell y'all now. I put in my tuna fish, I put eggs, relish, and red onion. Stop! If there's anything else that y'all put in y'all tuna fish, let me know. I do be wanting to experiment, but that's what my mom said to put, so that's what I'm putting.
See, what y'all doing? Roblox gets me out of the server, I'm gonna be upset. Oh wow, did it?
Yeah. Let's go get to the tuna. So this is my tuna fish. As you can see, my red onion, my egg, and you also can see the sweet relish. I forgot to show y'all me mixing it, but yeah, this is it. And it tastes good. I also do add a little sugar and of course the mayonnaise. So this is what dinner is gonna be. I got me a tuna fish sandwich on a sesame seed hero bread along with lettuce and tomatoes, some french fries. I'm about to put some ketchup on it because I cannot eat french fries without ketchup. And so yeah, this is dinner. Listen, I bust that sandwich down and y'all see me all powdered up. You see this? So I could sleep comfortable. I don't have to be hot. Even though I did cut my AC on to sleep more comfortable. Let me tell you something. The powder thing, this is old school. That's the thing with putting on powder. It get everywhere. I don't care though. As long as I'm cool, that's all that matters. Okay? It be so hot, you don't even want to put on pajamas. Like, yeah, that bad. Ready to make hubby something to eat because he is getting ready to come home from work. I just put his french fries inside of the air fryer. I love that air fryer. It's just so fast. And I'm going to give him some of my good old tuna fish with some lettuce and tomatoes, and Yeah. I keep my bread inside of the fridge because it lasts longer. I believe my grandmother used to put her bread in the fridge also. Summer's here. We're using paper plates. I warm the bread in the microwave for about 15 seconds. Just to warm it a little. It softens up a little bit. And then, oh, let me get the tuna. So you see, the bread is nice and soft. The bread is nice and soft. Oh. Listen, it is officially summertime. I am not trying to be cooking, and neither is my husband burning up in nobody's kitchen. I'm sorry. This tuna fish and them other finger foods is definitely going to work this summer. I also bought everybody a cup of ice. I said there's no reason to keep making dishes. That's why we're using paper plates, cups of ice. I keep making ice. They can refill their cup. Right, Zion?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna give hubby something nice and cold to drink to go with his tuna fish and his french fries. And then I'm off to my bed.
There's more cookies?
Yeah, but they melted. You said you ain't gonna like it. So we got his cup of ice. This is a drink. I forgot the name of it, but I buy it from the supermarket, and it's sugarless, but it tastes so good. So when he comes, he'll have that to go on and sip on with his sandwich. Get it right, keep it tight. And his favorite sauce is the Chipotle Polynesian. My husband loves this sauce. So this is what it's looking like. He got his sandwich on his Italian bread, his french fries, his drink, his Polynesian. He's good to go. Let me get ready to go to bed, lay down, and just try and relax until husband gets home, find something to watch, and yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Oh, and also, it's gonna be a lot of updates this summer because we're doing Royalty's room over. She's getting new everything. Also, we're gonna be doing the kitchen. We're also gonna be working on my bedroom, my son's bedroom, you know, just getting some things together. And yeah, so there's a lot of things that's gonna be happening, a lot of shopping that's gonna be going on, budget shopping. Because y'all know I like a lot of money. I just don't like to spend a lot of money. There you go. We'll talk tomorrow about some plans that I have for the summer. Some different things to do. Especially with Royalty. She's not going to be in summer camp. I'm going to tell y'all why tomorrow. And alright, so it was cool spending time with y'all as always. And if you are subscribed, thank you. I love you. If you are not, I don't know what you're waiting for, because I'm about to be back like I never left. And also, turn your post notifications so that when I post, you can pull up and see what I got going on. And if you're in New York, Texas, Georgia, Florida, wherever it is that is hot, Mexico, the islands, I don't care where you at. Wherever you at, if it is a hot climate at this moment, do your best to stay cool. Drink water, a lot of water. It's very important. Drink water. And I will see you guys tomorrow. I love you.